It's about 1 o'clock in the morning and the snow has finally stopped. This is insane. How deep the snow is out here. I'm glad I parked my car in the ground.